welcome back as we continue our lessons on reading Egyptian hieroglyphs. If you enjoy these videos and want to help the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps. Today, we are going to cover 3 very easy hieroglyphs. The first one of these is going to be the letter B, or the foot hieroglyph. To draw this letter, you just draw a foot with a part of the leg. As you draw it, try to keep the lines fairly straight. The foot letter is also transliterated with the letter B, and it's pronounced like a B, as in boy or baby. The next letter is even easier than that one. It is a picture of a stool and is the letter P. Now to draw this letter, you just draw a simple square. Doesn't get easier than that. The stool character, or the P, is translated and pronounced like the English letter P. So P as in Peter. And finally, the last letter for today is going to be the letter F, or the horned viper. Now I have to admit, the horned viper has a special place in my heart. It was the first hieroglyph I learned to write. So for me, I really think this hieroglyph is neat. To draw this one, draw the head of the snake with a curved body. Then draw a couple of horns on the head of the viper. This viper is transliterated with the letter F and is also pronounced as an F, as in fun or fancy. Now, we've covered the next 3 letters, so it's time to give you another word. And previously, we discussed the quail chick letter. Now, if we use the foot, the B, and add the W from the quail chick, we get a word that means place, boo. Boo or place. A couple videos ago, we also introduced the first person personal pronoun, E, which means me or my. So if we add that to boo, which boo E, we get my place. And it just so happens that the horned viper, that F character we just learned, is also the masculine pronoun he or his. So boo F is his place. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. See you next time.